Hindi lahat ng umiiyak ay nagmamalasakit. May luhang nanlilinlang. With that in mind, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today, I'm going to share my book review of Luha ng Buhaya by Amado V. Hernandez. This novel is more than just a story. It is a strong reflection of social injustice, corruption, and the struggles of ordinary Filipinos. Sinulat ni Amado V. Hernandez ang Luha ng Buhaya during a time na talagang randam ang inequality sa bansa. What makes this more powerful is the fact na sinulat niya ito habang nakakulong siya nang dahil sa kanyang political beliefs. Kaya habang binabasa mo ang nobela, mararamdaman mo talaga ang galit, sakit, at malasakit para sa mga inaapi. The story is set sa bayan ng Sampilong, kung saan ang mga magsasaka ay patuloy na inaabuso ng mayayamang Panginoong may lupa, especially the Grande family. The title, Luha ng Buhaya, literally means crocodile's tears, which perfectly describes the fake concern of those in power. Kunyari, maaawain, pero sila rin ang dahilan ng paghihirap ng iba. The main character, Bandong, is a school teacher who believes that education and unity are the real weapons against injustice. Instead of using violence, he encourages the farmers to speak up and stand together. Kasama rin dito si Pina, who represents hope and courage, while Grande family clearly symbolizes greed, corruption, and abuse of power. As the story goes on, unti-unting nagiging aware ang mga tao na hindi sapat ang manahimik. Kailangan nilang kumilos. One of the strongest themes of the novel is social injustice, especially the unfair treatment of farmers. Another important theme is collective action. Ipinakita ng storya na hindi dapat isang tao lang ang lumalaban. Real change happens when people unite. The buhaya in the story symbolizes hypocritical leaders who pretend to care but only serve their own interests. For me, what makes Luha ng Buhaya really impactful is how relevant it still is up today. Kahit matagal na itong naisulat, parang nangyayari pa rin ang mga issue ngayon. Corruption, abuse of power, and inequality. I personally admire Bandong because pinili niya ang edukasyon at pagkakaisa kaysa dahas. The novel reminds us that silence allows injustice to continue and that speaking up. To wrap it all up, Luha ng Buhaya is not just a required reading, it is a wake-up call. I would definitely recommend this book to students who want to understand society better and realize the importance of unity and justice. Thank you for watching, and that's my book review of Luha ng Buhaya by Amado V. Hernandez.